I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account is active with the carrier and having your account number and photo ID ready. Once done, power the phone off and eject the SIM using the proper tool. You should inspect the SIM chip and tray for corrosion, bends, or debris. If it looks clean, reseat it carefully. Make sure to note the EXID printed on the card, because carriers use that to reactivate a deactivated SIM, and you'll need the phone model for compatibility checks. You reinsert the SIM firmly, then boot the phone and immediately check signal bars and airplane mode, toggle off if needed. If the phone shows no network, try the SIM in a different working phone to determine whether the SIM or the device is at fault. Once the SIM is recognized, you may need to reset network settings or install carrier updates. This clears cached provisioning and often restores service. If prompted, accept carrier push messages. You call your carrier and provide the EXID, account number, and photo ID to request reactivation. Explain deactivation reasons so they apply the correct fix. If they cannot reactivate remotely, go to a carrier store for an immediate SIM swap or replacement. Bring ID and the device for verification. Once reactivated, power cycle the phone and confirm calls and data work. If problems persist, test with a prepaid or temporary SIM to verify tower service. If that fails, the carrier may escalate to provisioning or local network maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.